Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cake in Zelda Breath of the Wild. Making cake is a simple and rewarding process that can significantly boost your adventure. We'll cover the 4 key ingredients you'll need, where to find them, and the straightforward cooking method. By the end, you'll be able to whip up a tasty treat for Link, restoring his health and even providing special effects. Let's get cooking. To bake a basic cake, you'll need 4 specific items. First, grab 1 Tabantha wheat, which you can find by cutting grass in areas like Tabantha Frontier or purchase from general stores. Next, you'll need 1 cane sugar, typically available from merchants in various towns. Don't forget 1 bird egg, often found in bird nests high up in trees. Finally, select 1 fruit or nut, like an apple or acorn, to give your cake its unique flavor. Once you have your 4 ingredients, it's time to cook. Find a lit cooking pot, which are scattered throughout Hyrule, often in stables or villages. Stand right next to it, then open your inventory. Select each of your 4 ingredients, the Tabantha wheat, cane sugar, bird egg, and your chosen fruit or nut, and choose the hold option for each. With all 4 items in Link's hands, simply drop them into the pot. Voila! Your cake will be ready in moments. Your freshly baked cake isn't just for show. It's a fantastic way to restore Link's health, often filling several hearts. The type of fruit or nut you use as your 4th ingredient can also impart special effects, like temporary boosts to stamina, attack, or defense. Feel free to experiment with different fruits, nuts, or even other sweet ingredients you find. Discovering new cake recipes and their unique benefits is part of the fun in Hyrule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.